Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am LaSharika. Today we are going to declutter my nightstand. Look at this. This is usually what my nightstand look like on a daily basis, okay? My nightstand is loaded. I am afraid to let y'all see inside, but I am going to open it up so you can see. We are going to declutter this starting at the beginning of this year. I have been going around my house and seeing what I can declutter, and I should have started in my own area, but that's okay. I'm here today. I am going to get started decluttering this, and I want you guys to come along, and maybe this will inspire you to declutter your nightstand. So this is where the real mess is at. Inside here, everything. I want to start at the top, but I feel like I need to start at the bottom. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so listen, this nightstand drawer is full of everything. As you can see, your girl love magazines, journals, my books. I have cards in this box back here with the butterflies on it, and too much mail, way too much mail. I really need to go paperless with a lot more stuff because I do not like opening mail, checking mail. I am going to go through that. As I'm pulling this stuff out, I do have a pile that I am kind of separating the stuff that I know that is going to go in the trash. Some of this stuff I am going to put back in here, but it will mainly be my books. I am also planning to take my magazines and put them in one of my little purple magazine boxes. But as you can see, as I'm pulling stuff out left and right, I have a thing for journals. I kind of hoard journals, and I have a journal for everything. I have a journal for journaling. I have, listen, I can't even tell you, I just love journaling. And those are just the ones that you see right in front of you in my nightstand. Listen, I have a whole lot more in my closet, but I'm going through these magazines to make sure it's going to be magazines that I'm going to keep or magazines that I'm going to put to the side for when we are doing our New Year's vision boards. I like to keep the extra magazines for that, but most of these I'm keeping because I hoard magazines as well. But I am going to take them out my nightstand because they do not belong here. But you can see I'm kind of sorting and separating, putting things in piles so that I can put them where they need to be once I'm finished getting this cleaned up, because there is no way in the world that they're going back inside my nightstand. I want to be able to open my nightstand drawers up and see when I'm opening them exactly what I need. I can just go in, grab a book, go in, grab a journal like that. I don't want all this clutter and stuff, and it just makes you feel like a little overwhelmed. And of course, life is already enough, right? You already have so much things going on that you do not want overwhelmed in the bedroom. So yes, your girl is getting rid of this stuff. I'm getting it stuff placed back in here nice and neat, just like I like it, and it feels so good. And just look at this, how nice and neat this look down here. This is what I'm talking about. This looks good. This makes me feel good just seeing that I have gotten to it. I have been putting this off, and I said put it off no longer. Get it done, LaSharika. Stop living in this clutter. Now, this drawer, baby, listen, don't even get me started. Your girl got a little bit of everything going on in here. I tell you, I have a little bit of everything going on in here, but listen, we are going to get to it today. She will not no longer have her nightstand drawer looking like it looked, because no. Why? Tell me why. It's ridiculous. But no worries. That's what I'm doing today. I'm taking the time and I'm getting it done. Hey guys, so I got it done. I have decluttered. It feels so good. I'm so glad that I got it done. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you guys on the next video.